everybody, this is Anime Game Otaku 95. Last episode, the second chapter, starts when Harley Quinn and Black Canary and Green Arrow are trying to figure out how to stop the fear gas from being delivered to Greater Ghoul. And during the fight, Harley Quinn has to fight off against her best friend Poison Ivy, and then she was trying to fight against Scarecrow, who was trying to make Harley get scared again by getting scared of the Joker, but she still managed to overwhelm her fear. And it is kind of good thing too. I mean, I do hear stories of Harley Quinn going back to work with the Joker, but in this game she does it because one, the Joker's already dead. Two, Harley Quinn was strong enough to resist the urge to work with the Joker again, so she managed to overcome her fear. And then after that fight, the Swamp Thing came and he thought Harley Quinn and her friends were causing trouble, but she convinced him that it was the Scarecrow and his minions. So, and right now I think I'm about to go meet up with Greater Ghoul, and I'm about to go fight him and his minions, so I could stop them from whatever they're doing. Maybe they wanna overthrow Bruce Wayne or take over the world or something. So, anyways, what's gonna happen in the next chapter? Let's go play. Chapter 3. Oh! Green Arrow and Black Canary. I can choose who I want to be? Nice. Greater Ghoul.
Gorilla City! Our time has come. In a few short hours, we break the yoke of oppression. Forever! No more regime! No more Justice League! Today, the world welcomes its new masters. The Society!
Oh, and here comes the other people. Desha, Cheetah, who else? Poison Ivy, Catwoman.
Today, we show the world that we are superior. Today, we bring anyone who would dare stand against us to their knees!
Yeah, yeah! Oh, that guns! Oh, man!
Low self-esteem, not that guy's problem.
That's a lot more than a few society members. It's all of them.
They're headed indoors, out of sight from the soldiers. Harley, keep the jet warm. When we signal, bail us out. Laid it on a little thick, Grodd. You hire Superman's speechwriter?
Soldiers must be properly motivated to sacrifice their lives, Catwoman.
Hate is the perennial motivator.
Better not turn that hate on us, or this society is over.
As long as we have a common agenda, Captain Cold, you have nothing to fear.
You mean as long as we follow your orders?
Report, Deadshot.
We're ready to move out.
Good dog. Now go tell the others. Cheetah, Cold, you're with the first wave.
We already lost a shipment at Slaughter Swamp. Hope your silent partner can still deliver.
Maybe it's time you spilled the identity of our silent partner, since we're relying so much on him. Or her.
He will soon make his presence known, but for now...
First, a few words from the brave and the bold.
Ha! Batman, the brave and the bold.
I'm the brave one, right?
I'm not bold enough to disagree.
The saboteurs of Slaughter Swamp, I presume. Handle this.
I call first dibs.
Okay, I'm picking Black Canary.
A traitor again, Selena? I don't know why Bruce ever trusted you. I've got 9 lives, Dinah. I'm only a traitor in most of them.
Okay, before I fight Catwoman, let me go study Black Canary's special moves. Ah, come on. No. Oh, I forgot she could scream. I mean, she has a really loud super voice. Ow, ow. No. Uh-oh, jump, 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 jump. That was too close.
Can we skip the 10 count?
No.
Don't do that. Ever.
Ooh, that's good hard. That is gonna cause some healing loss. Uh-oh, gotta be careful. And I won. Yay!
So much for 9 lives.
Ooh.
Oh, that was graceful, Ollie.
Uh-oh, bang.
One of us needs to distract him while the other sniffs his tubes.
Ouch.
His venom tubes, Ollie.
How kind of Batman, sending his underlings. I will enjoy returning you to him in body bags.
Okay, now, Green Arrow. I'm gonna use Green Arrow now.
You keep snipping.
Your spine will break like this.
Now you're done. That was my favorite arrow.
Okay, before I fight, let me just study Green Arrow's special abilities. Now. Ow, ow, ow. Ow. Okay, I probably missed. Oh, never mind. Ooh. Nice. Oh no, dodge, dodge, dodge. Ah. Yep, this is what I get for showing off. Ooh! Green Arrow would have been dead right now in real life.
How's that for a Star City welcome?
No, ow, ow, ow. Ow. No. Got you. Okay, I think this should be finish you off. Or not. Yeah, maybe because it's finishing from here. Oh, jump, 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 jump. Ah, I'm dead. I am so gonna die. No! Oh no, I'm still alive. Oh, barely survive.
Birdie, now!
Ooh, we disconnect your venom drug deal.
Now where's that damn dirty ape?
Uh-oh. Dr. Fate!
I come to you as darkness falls.
Dr. Fate?
Dinah Lance, Oliver Queen. In the past, I have shielded you from danger, but a grave crisis looms, and I do not know if I can stop it.
You mean Grodd and company? We've got that covered.
Grodd is the pawn of a much greater master. A new order is coming. I have foreseen it. Leave with me now, while I can still save you.
If that's the case, we're staying here. Batman will need our help.
Everyone and everything you know will die. I will shepherd you to safety, lest you suffer the same fate. By force, if necessary.
The good doctor's been wearing that
Okay,
helmet
I'm
too
guessing I
long.
have to fight him next.
Watch my back.
You should not have returned to Batman. You are not fated to fight his battle.
Well, like a good friend once told me. Screw fate.
Vengeance of Horus.
Nah, come on. No.
Vengeance of Horus.
Nah, come on. Oh, I blocked it. Ooh. No.
Vengeance of Horus.
Nah, come on.
I should
Uh-oh.
have let you die.
Too late for that.
I don't have enough stuff. No! Ooh. Don't worry, I'm almost done with this fight. Ow! Ooh! And I kill him by breaking his ears off.
I'm not abandoning Batman.
His helmet? I thought his helmet's not supposed to come off.
Kent, you okay?
Your headgear really had you going.
I lost control of Naboo, the spirit of the helm. Thanks to you, I'm back in charge. For now. I have to go consult my masters, the Lords of Order. Pray they'll intervene before it's too late.
Too late for what, Kent? What's going down?
The Lord's magic bars me from saying more. I have changed fate too many times. This planet's destiny is no longer clear.
Oh no, don't put it back. No.
What comes next? Mere mortals cannot stop. For better or worse, your fate rests in the gods' hands.
That was spooky.
Yeah. Come on, let's find Grodd and get the hell out of here.
Okay, and God must be the final boss for this chapter, so... Better to finish him off with Green Arrow.
You've overstayed your welcome.
We're happy to check out, but you're coming with us.
Uh-oh.
Fighting
He
a
has
talking ape wasn't enough. Had to
psychokinesis.
throw in telekinesis. Give us a song to soothe these savage beasts.
That's not a song, that's a
I
scream.
forgot to bring my banana arrow. Wait, you eat bananas, right? Or is that an offensive stereotype?
You ignorant fool.
Now. Now. Okay, I gotta make sure he doesn't read my mind. Don't read my mind. Ow. Ow, ow. Nah, come on. Oh no, I should have moved. Ah, no, he's gonna read my mind. He's gonna. Oh, my mind is broken. Oh. Oh.
I left my Earth for this.
And I died. Well, I still got half a health left. Now. Oh no.
Won't make you a hunter.
No, for that I need a license.
Ah, I don't have enough. Ooh. Ow, ow. And I won.
I was just trying to be PC.
PC? Haha. I don't get it. Yeah, without good or good, other girls are defenseless. Now, you're under arrest.
Surprised that worked. Let's call it a day and get Harley out of here.
It's never good when you slap the cuffs on and then they start chuckling.
Uh-oh.
You've won this battle, but you've already lost the war.
Wait, what war? Oh, what's going on?
Holy shit.
Uh-oh, what is that? Is it the alien spaceship? Oh no! They got alien abducted! Ah, I should have listened to Dr. Fate!
Ollie.
I got nothing.
Your victory over Gorilla Grodd warrants further study.
Who is it? recognize you. I think you're
Skin.
Brainiac.
Smart money's on alien.
Martian? Like John Johns?
My point of origin was 1,000 light years removed from Mars on the planet Kolu. I am Brainiac.
I knew it. I guessed it right. Uh-oh. Oh no, what's he gonna do to them? Uh-oh.
Stop, please.
Cause and effect. Resistance begets violence.
Then we won't resist. Please, just stop.
You're the grave crisis we were warned about. What do you want?
I seek the one you call Superman. For years, I believed I had destroyed Krypton and all its remnants. Superman's survival is an oversight I must correct.
Superman's no friend of ours.
I am aware. But your planet has also piqued my interest. Its many contradictions are fascinating.
We'll never serve you.
Serve? I am no petty despot. I collect worlds, preserving their essential knowledge to enhance my intellect. And then I discard the remnants.
Uh-oh.
Why?
Because he's crazy. He's psychopath.
These values precious metals, arbitrary symbols of status. I value knowledge. And like your metal trinkets, knowledge is more valuable when it is rare.
Yep, the invasion has begun. All the citizens are gonna get killed by those robots.
Brother Eye, give me an update on the team at Gorilla City.
I cannot do that, Bruce Wayne of Earth.
Why not?
Because I am not brother.
Oh, he's glitching. He's glitching.
I am Brainiac. You cannot regain control. Over the past days, Brother Eye has been absorbed into my neural network. It is now an extension of my mind. You, a fragile human, captured and imprisoned a fully developed male Kryptonian.
Maybe I'm not so fragile.
To prevail, you harnessed advanced sciences, nanotechnology, satellite communications, interdimensional transit. I am taking these tools from you.
Why?
The Kryptonian belongs to me. And soon, so will your planet.
Nah, man, this can't be good. Okay, it's time to be Batman. Meanwhile, I'm guessing Superman's allies gonna know about Brainiac too.
Great Hera. Where else besides Metropolis?
Gotham, Beijing, Moscow. So many cities. All at once.
And Supergirl's gonna remember that ship that destroyed her home.
Who, Kara? Who is it?
We need to get Cal. Now!
Okay, I'm gonna take a guess at that. Prisoner is Superman. For those of you who forgot, in the first game, this Superman became a bad guy and became a dictator until he later got defeated by Batman and the sisters. And now, I'm guessing Batman's gonna go release Superman.
You're wearing a suit. Am I in trouble again?
Brainiac, what can you tell me?
How do you know that name?
You're afraid of him. He's invading. He says you belong to him.
Brainiac killed my parents. He blew up Krypton.
You never mentioned that before. How do I beat him?
You can't. Not without me.
Yeah, not without risking you going all crazy.
This is my fight, Bruce! You need me! Bruce! Bruce! Bruce!
Well, it looks like I completed this chapter. Well, kind of part of it, like half of it, I mean. Well, there was some fights. In some chapters, there's gonna be some fights where I have to choose which character to pick. Either this person or my second person to pick. And, well, you know what? I'll go back and use the different characters to fight in my own time, so I wonder what's gonna happen next in chapter 4, because Brainiac is responsible for destroying Krypton, and now he's planning on destroying planet Earth, and he wants to add Superman as his collection, so I wonder what's gonna happen next in the next chapter. Until next time, this is Anime Game Otaku 95.